everyone. Today we are going to talk about multi-level inheritance in Python, which is a key concept in object-oriented programming. Inheritance allows classes to inherit properties and behaviors from other classes. Multi-level inheritance takes this concept a step further, creating a chain of inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class is derived from another class, which is also derived from yet another class. This forms a hierarchy where subclasses can inherit methods and attributes from multiple levels of parent classes. By the end of the session, you will understand how multi-level inheritance works, its benefits, and how to apply it in your Python programs. So let's break down the multi-level inheritance. What is multi-level inheritance? So multi-level inheritance occurs when a class is derived from a parent class, and that parent class itself is derived from another parent class. It's like a chain. Each class in the chain inherits from the one before it. This type of inheritance creates a clear hierarchy where each subclass has access to attributes and methods from all the classes in the chain. For example, we can have a grandparent class, a parent class, and a child class. The child class can inherit properties from both the parent class and the grandparent class. We'll look into one example. So here, let's walk through a simple example of multi-level inheritance in Python. So here, the first class you can see that, right? That is grandparent class, where the class is animal. Def speak of self, print animal speaks. So this animal class, this is the grandparent class. It has a method speak that prints animal speaks. Then you do have a parent class inherits from animal. This one. Here, the class dog animal, def bark self, print dog barks. So here, this is the dog class. The dog class is a child class of animal. It inherits the speak method from animal and adds a new method bark to represent the behavior of a dog. Next, you can see the child class that is inheriting from dog. Here, we do have a child class that is puppy, where it is inheriting the properties of dog. Whimper self, def whimper self, print puppy whimpers. Here, the puppy class is a child class of a dog. It inherits both speak method from animal and the bark method from dog. And it also has its own method whimper. So when we create an object of the puppy class, it can call methods from all three classes in the inheritance. Puppy dot puppy equals puppy, whereas this particular line is we are creating an object for puppy class. Here puppy dot bark is there, right? So this calls the method from the dog class, whereas puppy dot whimper is there. This calls the method from the puppy class. So this shows how the multi-level inheritance works, where a subclass inherits from its immediate parent, which in turn inherits from another class. So you can observe this. Once I printed this, once I run this particular cell, I got dog barks, puppy whimpers. So this is the example. So now let's discuss the benefits of using multi-level inheritance in Python. The first one is code reusability. One of the key benefits of inheritance, including multi-level inheritance, is code reusability. In our example, the puppy class does not need to re-implement the speak or bark methods because it inherits them from animal and dog classes. Respectively, this reduces the code duplication. Next one is hierarchy creation. Multi-level inheritance helps in creating a clear hierarchy. By organizing classes in this way, you create a well-defined structure where each class has a specific role. This makes the code easier to understand and maintain. For example, animal is the base class with general characteristics. Dog is a specialized version of an animal, and puppy is even more specific. The third one is extensibility. With multi-level inheritance, you can extend the functionality of a class without modifying the parent classes. If you want to add a new behavior to the puppy class, you don't need to change anything in the animal or dog classes. You can adjust or you can just add new methods or override existing one in the puppy class. So this makes the code flexible and easy to scale. You can keep adding new functionalities as needed. This is the end of the topic. Thank you everyone.